Why am I orange? It's the sun. What I'm saying is, at 10:30, I'm already gone.
I know, but you're not happy.
Buong! I'm awake at 8:30.
You're just telling me you're going to be a zombie because you haven't had any sleep.
I haven't had since travel day, guys. We've been here how many days now, babe?
2 nights or 3?
Oh, no, excuse me, no.
Saturday night, Sunday night, Monday night, Tuesday night. So 4 nights.
Phone. 5 days. So, 5 days na kami here, guys. And 5 days na din akong natulog.
Yeah, well, neither of us have had any sleep.
Last night you had a good sleep.
Yeah,
Pero kasi
I had
nag-take
a
siya ng pills.
much better sleep. Just needed to get that last hour, at 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
But improving. So that's the main.
Yes, guys. So, wala akong tulog ng ilang araw na kasi ang hirap matulog pag nakikita ko yung punta tayo sa kapatid nito ni Now, which is yun yung may sakit and hindi siya masyadong okay, guys. So, nahihirapan akong makita siya. Pero at least at the same time, hindi ganun kalakas yung gamutan niya. So, hindi naman, hindi, yung alam niyo yun, yung hindi pa siya, okay lang siyang makitain. Ano. Pero, yeah, ang hirap ng nahihirapan siya. Anyway, we're off to, huh?
Peter.
We're off to see brother Peter,
Chinese lunch.
and then Singaporean lunch, and then golf,
Few golf balls.
and then supermarket, and ano,
That's it.
cooking. That's our day, guys. So let's do a New Zealand day vlog. New Zealand day vlog. Kasi wala pa tayong vlog dito since dumating kami. Nung dumating kami, guys, sinundo kami ni Kuya. And sobrang easy nang umuwi ng New Zealand because we did get the direct na Adelaide Christchurch, and it took us only 3 hours and 30 minutes,
Yeah, it was pretty quick.
and super direct na. Usually it will take us a whole long day. We actually normally arrive here midnight, so past na siya talaga, yung parang naging 2 days na yung travel kasi nga alis tayo ng maaga sa 6 o'clock. Tapos pagdating natin sa Australia, yun na pagdating dito sa New Zealand, midnight na, like 1 o'clock or 2 a.m. 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. na lagi. So very very tiring siyang. Now dumating tayo dito ng 1 o'clock, actually 2 o'clock kasi delayed kami kasi may weather, but 3 hours and 30 minutes lang. Kasi usually may layover pa sa magle-layover pa kami usually.
Yeah, it's about 45 minutes down.
Yeah. So yun, guys. But only few days now. I'm always having PTSD this corner.
Yeah, especially when it's a bus, but
But if I didn't see the bus lights blinker. Yeah. Akala ko straight na naman tayo sa aksidente. Ayun yung accident corner namin, guys. And yeah. So, how many days now? Tuesday ngayon ba? Five days na lang.
yeah.
5 days nandito na yung ibang pamilya din.
Yeah, it's gone quickly.
I know.
It feels like it's been 2 days.
I know. Ang bilis ng panahon. So, yeah. So nauna talaga kami sa kanila guys kasi nga yung flight nila, kung sumabay kami sa kanila, yung flight nila puno yun, hindi kami makakasakay doon. So kailangan namin mauna dito before sila dumating. Kaya yun, nauna na kami. So let's go. It's beautiful day today. Finally, blue sky.
Actually, yeah, they got 4 or 5 days of reasonable work done there.
Yeah. It was how many days of rain since we got here, guys? Oh my goodness.
4 days.
May hail, may snow, everything. Andito na pala kami. Okay, babalikan ko kayo, guys.
Oh.
You're on the wrong side. Tapos na tayo dun, guys. We were there for how many hours? 2?
Where? Pete's?
Yeah.
No. They got there at 11:15. There for an hour and a half.
An hour and a half. That takes forever. An hour and a half. Ngayon punta na tayong, hindi ko alam, golf muna yata. Let's go! Ay, feeling ko kakain tayo. Ay, hindi ko alam. Saan tayo? Oh my God, she's very cold.
She's not. She's wrapped up. Not that cold out there. It says
I know,
16.
the way she dressed, it was like going to Antarctic. Ang kapal-kapal ng jacket niya, ang dami pa. But, tapos na tayo doon, ang dami ko din nakain na snacks, so hindi pa naman ako masyadong gutom, pero nauuhaw ako.
Oh my God, red lights.
We're gonna eat first pala daw, guys. Akala ko busog siya. Hindi pa siya busog. Oh my goodness. Kain muna tayo. Pero parang okay yung okay yung pakiramdam ngayon ng kapatid niya kasi okay lang. Nagsasalita naman siya ng hindi siya nasasaktan at the moment. So parang ang easy ngayon ng yung kaharap siya ba kasi hindi ko siya nakita nasasaktan. Mas mas ako yung naapektuhan kaysa dito sa isa. Siguro kasi mga lalaki, so medyo yung approach nila ba yung pero ako kasi medyo mahina. Try again, part 2 of finding the noodles.
Mm-hmm.
Yesterday, siya, closed. Today, we don't know.
Oh, it better be open.
Should be open,
I
huh?
guess we'll just do Joe's garage again.
Too scary.
Oh no,
What
there's no park. Oh yeah, there's one there.
is parking? Kahapon, iba din yung, yesterday, I struggled. It was
no.
so cold.
He's going to take it.
Oh no.
Yep.
It was a bit of a hard walk kasi nagre-rain at saka nag-cold and windy yesterday.
No, he didn't go down there. Sure.
Okay, let's go. Let's eat. Parang gusto ko din tuloy tumingin ng tinapay dun sa may
And it's even under a tree.
dun sa may Filipino shop na nasa likod ng kainan. Actually, punta ako habang si Tony naghihintay ng pagkain namin. Punta tayo Filipino shop. Buti tinapay. Lamig. Windy again.
We're in the wind.
What? Doon tayo punta. Doon. Sa Nemo. Sa Nemo. No, sa doon sa Chinatown Market. Yan. Maliwanag na. Akala ko atin na. Nagulat.
Bloody instructions for crossing. Take you 2 minutes to read them before you go.
hangin, oy. Punta tayo dito guys sa Panadero. Before pumupunta na ako dito. Sana open. Pag hindi open, bad luck. We'll see guys. Parang open naman. Meron akong Spanish bread. Dalawa lang. At saka yung pandesal. Yan. Pwede ko yung breakfast tomorrow. Or lunch. Yan. Pag may natira akong noodles, yan na yung pagkain ko. Actually, yeah. Tomorrow, ganyan na yung kakainin ko pala sa dinner. Kasi walang luto tomorrow. Medyo malamig. Ikaw. Eh, sabi ko nga malamig.
Oh.
What?
Oh, you can check it.
Did you? No, you didn't wear it. Did you wear it? It's in the car, didn't it? Just can't believe, like, we're, how long was last time? How long since we've been here? Ano ba yung
5 days. 5th day.
No. The last
Since we were here.
Since we were here.
2.5 months.
And si ate, we're not always here, but the people that we go to, the restaurants especially, pag nakita kami, they know what to, yung order namin. Before pa ako umupo, sabi na ni ate, Singapore noodles on yun.
I should have said no prawns because they always leave me.
Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot to say that. Yeah. No prawns pala dapat. She did ask me no pork. Sabi ko, hindi, onions. Pero naalala niya pa din. Lumalaki tayo guys kasi tingnan yung mukha. Parang lumalaki. Like we're not always here, and if like we've been away for a couple months and then they still remember what we were. Same dun sa may Thai restaurant na isa sa gusto din namin ito na Thai
It
restaurant.
must be very memorable.
Sabi, before pa kami mo po, alam na niya na yung order. Yes, na-miss ko to guys. Ito, na-miss niya. Yun sa kanya, ito sa akin. Dito na tayo guys sa may driving range. And hintay lang natin si sir. Tayo, tahimik lang dito. And then si sir. Yun siya. Dito lang ako sa may sa kabila sa driver seats kasi mainit dun sa side ko. So lumipat ako dito. Dito sa side. Sa side ni Tony. And hintayin lang natin siya siguro mga 1 oras siya dyan. Tapos mag groceries. Tapos pahinga lang konti. Tapos luto ng dinner. Kasi ako guys nakatoka sa dinner today. Kasi si kuya nagluto ng 1 araw. So yes, yun yung ganap natin. Yeah, that was terrible. Tapos mag-golf sila tomorrow. Ako mag-gym. Punta akong gym tomorrow. Kasi lumalakan na yung hita ako tsaka mukha ko. Nag-i-stress eating ako. At saka tulog ng tulog sa umaga. Kasi paggabi hindi ako nakakatulog. Nakabili din pala ako guys ng pandesal at saka Spanish bread dun sa may Filipino shop kanina. Anyway, makinig lang ako ng music list. So, antok din ako. Baka makatulog ako dito habang hinihintay ko siya. Okay. Grocery na tayo next. Malapit na tayo. So, may shopping list ka ba? Yung shopping list?
Black currant jam.
Huh?
Yep.
Jam?
Black currant jam.
We'll eat black currant jam.
Pause apparently. We put something in cooked stuff. It's in my pocket. My back pocket.
Yes. So your brother gave you your shopping list. Pero yung request niya sa akin guys is yung roasted chicken. Request niya talaga yun guys. Yun yung siya yung may request talaga. Sabi niya kay Tony, sabihin mo naman sa asawa mo lutuan ako.
So
salt?
Cranberry sauce and sugar.
Oh, cranberry sauce.
Yeah.
And sugar. Okay. Who write that one? Paul.
Paul.
Nga kasi wala pala kaming salt. Ubus na. Ito na tayo sa Richmond shop. Oh, si ate bukas yung ano, yung Filipino ba na ano. Sa bukas siya. Let's go. And God is real. Ang sarap ng pagkain dun. Kain na naman. Tayo sa New World.
Get the red one, so get the white one.
Ano, but your brother prepared a purple one. So which one? We having? That enough? 3 lang for a mash?
How many do you? Huh?
Ay, roast pala yan.
So what do you want to do?
Yeah, that's enough.
Yeah, well, 2 each. We'll see. We're going to go 2 anyway. Cut one in half and share.
Yeah. What else? Naku, ang buli ko, Anthony. What?
My hand just bumped.
Wala. Hanap siyang sugar. Oh, I need the cream wrap. Kailangan ko to pala. Bili ako ng isa. Ito na lang. Maliit. Yes, sugar? Just need that one. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Nothing else?
Your shopping bag, man.
Where is my shopping bag I bought yesterday? Do you know? You remember? No? No, no, no. Do we need anything there? No.
Not a moment. Oh,
What? No? I thought you posted not.
Well, I'm going to pop up and have a shower. The sun's blazing. There's boiling water.
Sure, baby.
Where's our soap?
It's in the toilet bag area. You okay? Oh, it's the start.
Gonna be the finish.
It's the start to the finish. Naka-clip yung hair ko, guys, kaya may hair sa likod. Pero hair ko na naka-clip. Tapos na tayong kumain. And si kuya yung naghugas ng plato. Kasi ako yung nagluto. Ano ba yan? Lagay ko yan sa gilid. Tsaka tignan. Si kuya yung naghugas ng plato kasi, ayan, ako nga yung nagluto. Dito sa service station, sa gas station. Kasi tayo ay nagpagas. Kasi nga, yung mga tao ay nagpapanik na sa pagtaas ng petrol. Kasi nga, diba, dahil sa nangyayari. So, yun. Nag-top up kami ng aming car. And si Kuya Ating tapos na siya. Hindi ko alam yung ibang pamilya kung tapos na sila. Kasi ang mahal na, umaakit yung presyo guys. So yun. Hintay lang natin si Tony nagbayad. Sana bilhan niya ako chocolate. Ay, hindi siya bumili. Parang gusto ko talaga ng matamis. Hintay lang natin siya. And mabilis lang. So, mabilis. Dito na siya agad. How much is it, Bobby?
Sorry?
How much is it?
How much is it? What, money? Or
No, per liter.
208?
Oh. He's getting there na, no?
Yeah, that's really expensive. Compared to what Paul was talking about.
Yeah, mahal na. Saan tayo punta, babe?
We don't do the tyres.
Oh, ito na naman tayo sa araw. Yeah, literal na busog ako kasi kakatapos lang talaga namin kumain. Mag-pump si Tony ng ng tire. Sana pala dinala ko yung binigay niya, dinala ko sa kanya rin. Yung niregalo ko sa kanya. Maganda lang. Kasi dito sa New Zealand maraming mga area na walang tulong kang kukuha.
Oh, yeah.
Kasi mga remote na area ba. Tara pa. And busog. Gusto ko mag-gym pero busog ako na tinatamad ako. Gusto ko din mag-edit guys. Mag-edit para ako bukas kasi si Tony at saka si Kuya mag-golf. Tapos yung pub day namin is sa hapon pa naman. So, yeah. Mag-edit ako bukas para may video tayo pag bukas din.
Look, disappointing, obviously, the lack of discipline. I'm not going to relitigate that on national television. But the point that you make about the Prime Minister here is